Introducing the 2020 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.